A late night for jurors on the Champlain Islands, but it's not over yet in John Grismore's retrial.
This is ABC 22 News at 11.
Thanks for being here tonight. I'm Lauren Maloney. Jurors will return to a North Hero courtroom tomorrow morning. They told the judge about 2.5 hours ago they were deadlocked. But the judge said this is not the final word. Jurors voted unanimously to come back Friday morning and keep deliberating in hopes of reaching a unanimous verdict. ABC 22's Matt Holderman reports from the courthouse, where he spent most of the day following this story.
Jurors began their deliberations just before 3:30 Thursday afternoon and were then locked in the decision room for 5 hours plus, just like the previous jury was back in July for the first attempt at this trial. Now, ultimately, though, they have not yet been able to come to a unanimous agreement, and it is court rules that all 12 jurors have to vote the same way in order for there to be a verdict. Now, to give a quick refresher on all of this, they're trying to determine if they should find Sheriff Grismore guilty of assault for the action shown in this video, where he is shown kicking a man in custody back in 2022. The debate all week long has been whether Grismore was justified in doing that, and it appears some jurors think he was and others think he wasn't. Grismore's attorney asked Judge Sam Hoare to call this a mistrial once again, but Hoare insisted on giving the jury the decision on whether they wanted to keep going through the night or through Friday morning.
I'm sure we would all prefer that this case be resolved one way or the other, even by a hung jury tonight, but I think I owe it to them to honor their choice as to when they would like to wrap up their deliberations.
And before jury deliberations begun, it was a tense end to the evidence portion of the trial, with Grismore taking the stand to testify and both attorneys giving spirited closing statements.
In the second that I had to consider the circumstances, I decided that I wanted to use a point of leverage on his body, and that being his hip, to seat him on the bench.
He had lost his temper, and he used unreasonable and unnecessary force, and he assaulted Mr. Burrows.
The state has really tried very hard to puff this scenario up into some kind of extreme police brutality scenario. The reality is that Mr. Burrows was a threat to himself and to the deputies. The deputies weren't dealing with that threat, so Mr. Grismore had to do it.
We'll be back here Friday to see how this all ends, and I will recap the trial even further once it is finalized. But for now, reporting in North Hero, Matt Holderman, ABC 22 News.